Hello class! Since so many people have issues with knowing how to get free gift cards and how to redeem free gift cards, I'm going to teach you a lesson. Welcome to Free Gift Cards 101. Let's do this. All right, divas and divos, you heard that right. Teacher Diva is in the building. I've done so many videos about how to get free gift cards. I realized that a lot of people don't know the basics when it comes to free gift cards. Like, how do they come? When you earn a free gift card, what apps to use to get free gift cards, and even how to redeem them when you actually get them. So I'm going to help you out and not only tell you those things, but I'm also going to tell you some of the best places to get the free gift cards. And I'm going to tell you how to stretch those gift cards to make them last longer. So many people keep saying,
"Oh, I don't know how to get a free gift card. It's a scam. It's not working. Can you give me a free gift card?"
No, I cannot. I'm going to help you out and let you know how to do it yourself. So you don't want to miss this video. Make sure you watch it all the way through, because if you don't, you're probably going to hit me with some questions that I'm going to answer in this video. So do us both a favor and make sure you pay attention to this video and learn what you can. So I'm going to teach you as much as possible right after this. All right, divas and divos, let's jump into this video. And I'm going to start with one of the main questions that people ask me about these free gift cards. And that is, how do they get to you once you earn a free gift card? So I've done plenty of videos, from the Capterra video to plenty of other free gift card videos. And that is the question that a lot of people want to know. How does the gift card get to me? So the way that the gift cards get to you is digitally. I don't know of any of the companies that give free gift cards that will pay postage to have it sent to you. They're going to use the digital option because it's cheaper for them. They're not going to want to have this extra expense of mailing out thousands of free gift cards every day. That just doesn't make any sense logistically. So they're going to send it to you either by email, or some apps will give it to you within the app. So although the free gift card apps are all different, they're all pretty much the same when it comes to getting the free gift card and redeeming the free gift card. So you can expect to either, again, get it in your email account or get it in the app. And to know which way it will come, they will tell you, okay? All it takes is the click of a button and go into the frequently asked question section that like everybody has on their website or in their app, and find out which way do they give those gift cards. And I know a lot of people think it's best to ask me, but I can't get to every single question because I get a lot of questions. People don't realize a lot of my comments get filtered out. For some reason, sometimes if I'm in the YouTube app, I'll see a question, but if I'm on the YouTube website, that question is not there available for me to see. So it's a lot easier for you to just take that initiative and just find out the logistics or details, or if you have a problem with an app, to contact them directly. Like, I can help you out from my perspective, from the perspective of a customer. But for additional details that weren't covered in the video, I do suggest just check out the app. That's why I give you the links, okay? The other basic question that a lot of people want to know the answer to is, how do you redeem the free gift cards once you get them? So for the answer to that, I'm just gonna walk you through it real quick. Again, although the apps are all different, they are similar in a variety of ways. So I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card using an app, and that way you'll have an understanding of how to redeem the gift card and how to apply it to your account. So let's jump into my phone and let's redeem an Amazon gift card.
For this example, I'm going to be using the Zogo app, and thanks to one of my subscribers, I recently found out about this app. They reward you free gift cards for learning about finance. So I jumped in and started earning free gift cards right away. I'm going to link it down below just in case you're interested in it. But my goal was a $10 Amazon gift card, and that's what I'm redeeming today. So I clicked the button and they sent it over to my email address, and I'm hiding that because it's none of your business. So These are some of the other options in the Zogo app. As you can see, they have a lot of gift card options like Starbucks, Nike, Best Buy, so many different options to redeem. So they are a great app, but they said give them up to 48 hours to get my gift card. I got it instantly. This is me in my email account. I clicked redeem, clicked show my gift code, and they gave it to me instantly. So all I do is copy it and I head over to my account in Amazon, and in your account tab, you can redeem your free gift card there. So then I just pasted that code right on in there. And as you see, I already like to have a balance in there, but it added that new $10 right there. But that's how it works. See, it's so easy.
So that leads me into, where do you get free gift cards? I've done plenty of videos on how to get free gift cards, and you could just check out that playlist. I'm going to link that card up there, okay? And that way you could just pick and choose which video is more appealing to you, because I have a lot of ways to get free gift cards. I'm going to quickly go through them, but I'm going to link all the apps down below so that you can just check them out yourself. And again, you can check out that free gift cards playlist. But I'm going to give you a quick rundown of some of my favorite ways to get free gift cards. And I'm going to start with the OG, which is my favorite way, is Fetch Rewards. So Fetch Rewards, you can scan receipts and earn free gift cards that way. And I earn the most by actually referring people as well. So a lot of these apps that I tell you about, they will have referral programs. So there are plenty of ways to earn free gift cards, but Fetch Rewards is my favorite because you can scan receipts and they start you off with 2,000 bonus points, which is equivalent to like $2, and you can cash out at $3. So it doesn't take much to earn free gift cards with Fetch Rewards, and you can redeem a gift card up to once every 6 hours. So there are plenty of times where I'll go into Fetch Rewards several times in a day, because I might be shopping on Target.com and then I'm shopping on Amazon.com. So I try to space things out, so I know if I'm going to be shopping on more than one. A lot of times I might redeem one in the morning and then redeem another one in the afternoon. So Fetch Rewards is my favorite. And another one that a Devo told me about is Zogo app. Zogo app, you earn free gift cards for learning about finance, which is really fun. It's really helpful. I actually do it with my daughter, and I've earned a couple free gift cards so far. So I'm happy with the Zogo app, and I haven't even been with them for 2 weeks yet, and they are bomb, yo. So yes, they're linked below as well. And there are quite a few other ones that I'm linking down below that are my favorites, and they include My Points, Shopkick, and Swag Bucks. But I don't want to go too deep into that today because I've covered it plenty of times before. So just check those out in some of the other videos. But the next thing I want to do is tell you how to make your gift cards last longer, how to stretch them and make them go further. So the way that I do that is by using my free gift cards online, because if you use them online, most times you can actually get cash back. And I use Rakuten. Rakuten is free. They have an app and they have a website. So you get cash back for your online shopping. And when you use free gift cards, it's treated as cash. So if you have a $50 gift card that you use on Target.com, and say they're giving 5% back for your online shopping, you spending that $50 gift card is still going to get you 5% back for that purchase if 5% is what they're giving. Okay, so it's treated just like cash. So that's how I make it go further, because next thing I know, Rakuten is giving me money back. Every 3 months they give money back. And the way that I get mine is through PayPal. So they just throw the money in my PayPal account every 90 days. And I'm working towards my February money right now, and I already have over $100 in cash back. And like I said, I shop mostly through free gift cards. So yes, Rakuten is a great way to stretch those gift cards. And if you haven't signed up with Rakuten yet, again, it's free. I'm going to link it down below, and they are actually giving a $20 bonus right now for people that sign up for Rakuten and actually do an online order. So that's $20 back in your pocket. So that's a possibility of you getting a free item. If you're spending $20 online and they're giving you $20, you just canceled out the cost of your item. They can even give you that money straight up, like right in your PayPal account. So keep Rakuten in mind. Don't shop online without getting cash back. I'm telling you, I do it all the time. Now, another way that I stretch my free gift cards is by saving the receipts. So sometimes I might use my free gift cards to shop inside Target, for example. So I'll use that receipt And not only can I scan the receipts in apps such as Fetch Rewards and earn more gift cards, but I can also scan it with an app called Ibotta. And Ibotta is a way of getting cash for doing your regular store shopping or online shopping. So Ibotta is a great way to get some extra money back in your pocket for money that you're spending. And again, it includes the free gift card spending. So I'm going to link Ibotta down below as well. And they also offer bonuses. Their bonuses fluctuate, but typically the bonus for signing up is an extra $10 off the gate. And then you can do some other stuff and you can get like up to $20 cash back bonus with Ibotta when you sign up. And again, their app is free. I've gotten hundreds of dollars back from Ibotta so far. And I'm telling you, they definitely are legit and they work. So make sure you check out Ibotta and stretch those gift cards even further. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed this class of how to get free gift cards 101. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below and I'll try my best to get to you. And again, please let the algorithm know that you like the videos that I'm dropping and hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Hello, class. Since so many people wait. It's broken. Don't make fun of me.